Numerology. Pythagoras, the father of mathematics, is also the father of esoteric numerology. He believed that there was an order to the universe and that number were more than a means of quantifying things. His philosophies included the idea that each number had an esoteric meaning. Esoteric numerology, then, is the art and science of understanding the spiritual significance and orderly progression of all things. Every word or name vibrates to a number, and every number has an inner meaning. The letter and number code, when properly understood and applied, brings us into a direct and close relationship with the underlying intelligence and vibration of the universe. Pythagoras taught that numbers operate on the spiritual plane. With a few exceptions, everything can be factored to a number from 1 through 9, and each of those numbers has an esoteric meaning. It also represents an interval in a cycle. Pythagoras saw in number patterns and geometrical ratios the explanations of all natural phenomena, musical harmony, and tonal qualities. He knew that the stars and planets were vibrating entities that produce sound, which he called the harmony of the spheres. The only times that life numbers are not coded to the lowest single digit is when that number is 11 or 22. Ordinarily, 11 would be factored to a 2. But the number 11 is what's called a master number and is extraordinarily powerful in numerology. There is, in fact, an entire cult built around the number 11, or more specifically, 1111. This is a number that refers to end time and is a fascinating study all by itself. As an example, your birth date provides the pattern which we call the life lesson. Your name given at birth, when transcribed into numbers with a code that has existed since Pythagoras' day, can tell you the state of consciousness that you have achieved in this lifetime and indicate the record of the growth of your soul as well. Your personal numbers are pieces of the puzzle that define your existence. When you delve into numerology, you also delve into the ancient sciences of astrology and tarot. Thank you for listening. This has been an astrology and numerology educational message from Astrology, a look inside.